Wait a minute. Let me get my sound working. Why is it glitching? Oh my god. Why is it? Guys, bear with me a hot second. Give me a minute. Sound. Okay, play through external headphones. Virtual. Okay, let's try again. What am I doing? Guys, can you hear the music or not?
Download the trip.com app.
Just check it's working. Go. How you doing? I haven't been away. I was streaming this morning. And I was streaming on Monday twice. London session and New York session. I don't know where you been, mate. Theo, how you doing, brother? O's, here we go again. That don't sound encouraging, O's. That don't sound encouraging, mate. Duchess, afternoon. How was Lovers Blind? We're back. What have I missed? Oh yeah. Trade went without me. But it's all good. Hold on, someone's calling me. NFP yearly revision in 45 minutes. You know what? I just noticed that. That's crazy, right? I didn't even know anything about the yearly revision. But when I looked on my chart, I was like, what's this? I had no idea. So I just noticed that. But thanks for reminding me. Shell Black, how you doing? So we're about 15 minutes away from the US Open. Not really any news apart from this NFP annual revision, and I've never seen one of these before in all my time in trading, so I'm not sure what it was about, but I do remember writing something in my notes. So I don't know, did I write something in my notes? Fundamental wise, I don't know, I wrote this down, so I might have heard about it, but apparently there's going to be a bigger downward revision on jobs, or that's what some market spectators seem to think. FOMC later, go. Yeah, at 2 a.m. Yeah, 2 a.m. Well, going to be fast asleep, I reckon. You wonder if FOMC will be volatile tonight? Could be. Like, I don't know if they're going to say anything new in the minutes. But we'll see. O's will milk the markets this session. Or hopefully, brother. I need to. And I buy gold. I'm feeling that order gold failed. Oh, I'm selling GJ, making 1 to 2, but I don't close the order. I want 1 to 3. Shell. Sometimes you just got to take what the market gives you. Haven't been looking at GJ. Going short. Let's have a look at gold. Gold's still consolidating above 2,500. I've got mixed feelings about gold. I did want to look for a buy opportunity earlier on in the day, but I'm gonna keep an open mind about it. Could potentially look for sells. Pretty much Asian range. What you doing? But yeah, tight range on gold, just consolidating. I don't really like this yesterday. That was it didn't break 2,500, but perhaps we could see a break this session and play it. I'm not sure. We'll see. Axe, you're on a buy on GU at 130.29. Yeah, I messed up GU this morning. But it's all good. I'm not too sure. I'm not too clear on GU at the moment. We'll see if we find some momentum inside the next 50 box. But yeah, I mismanaged my trade on GU this morning, and even though I was ready to, I was getting myself revved up to execute the plan, right? Because after I was mismanaged this trade, right? Then I was getting myself ready to rev up. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna execute the plan, but didn't tap into my level again, and just went straight to TP. So yeah, man, it's been frustrating, but let's just let things go and look for another opportunity this session. We bullish on gold. Just tuned in, Ben. I'm mixed on gold. I was feeling bullish earlier on, and I have been trying to get long on gold from Monday's stream. We are at 25. Long term, of course. Medium term, of course, I'm bullish on gold. But maybe we're gonna consolidate, pull back a little bit underneath 2,500. I don't see us taking off right now, but we'll see. Yeah, Axe, we got news at 3 p.m. and I was just saying that it's basically never heard of the annual revision before, never come across it. But anything with NFP in it, I'm guessing it could make a move. Market could make a move, but so yeah, we'll see what happens at 3. I don't know why, but I read something earlier on in my fundamental notes this week that analysts were speculating we got a bigger downward revision on jobs. I'm not sure if there was, because I was thinking, why are people talking about NFP? But yeah, we do have an annual revision, so we're going to see what happens. Vivian, how you doing? Let us know what you're thinking about NQ as well. Haven't been looking at the SP500 much. At the top of the market at the moment. Shell Black forgot to check the news. You know what? I only just noticed it like an hour ago. I could swear it wasn't there earlier. They've just popped it up now. Stratus just got done playing bowling. Sounds like fun. Ready to make money for New York, NYSE. Yeah, me too. I got to make up for this morning's session. But I don't think I'm gonna be chasing GU. Hasn't really gone that far. Still not broken the high of the day. There could be a potential to re-enter on the move. Axe wasn't there earlier. Not a Forest Factory either. Tomorrow's unemployment claims. Yeah, tomorrow is jobless claims at 1 hour before the open. Then we got the US PMIs, and we also got the European UK PMIs, which is quite interesting. Sometimes if they're really bad, it can set the tone for the day. PMIs is medium news, but it's been known to impact news. It's been known to impact markets, especially if we are keeping an eye on figures. If we're worrying about recession or anything like that, if we get something out of line on PMIs, major PMIs, could have some impact. So I will be watching that tomorrow. NQ's in a range now on the 1 hour, waiting to see which direction it wants to go. Yeah, me too. I'm not sure. I haven't been looking, but yeah, it just looks like it wants to keep going higher. I mean, that's got to be. I mean, it's kind of the. It's difficult to be a bear in this market. But yeah, want to see what kind of direction we take at the open. Hopefully we find opportunity. Just been in a tight range. Let's have a look at NQ actually. Market more sensitive to economic data now more than inflation. PMI could move. Yeah, kind of. Yeah, because like no one's really worrying about inflation anymore, as we've kind of started to come back down to normal levels. So inflation was the big market mover for the last year, I would say. We could be paying more attention to traditional economic data. Yeah, never bad to be bullish on indices. Yep. It's been a big squeeze. Third coffee of the day. Gotta stay focused. Five minutes until the US Open. Yeah, this would have been a nice clean trade. Would have been. Woulda, coulda, shoulda. Any thoughts on the NFP revision? Will it fill the gap of last bearish candle on the daily? Because that's my target. What are you looking at, Stratus? What asset? Gonna get out of GU before news. Could risk, but don't want to risk it. Yeah, never. It's never bad to secure your profit. GU we could consolidate, but I'm still bullish on it. But it would just be difficult now for me to find a re-entry. Why am I always Have you bought a new challenge? Haven't tuned in a bit. Yeah, I've got the I've got the E8 one-step challenge. 41 watching, but 4 likes. Why don't you click the like? Good question, Shell. Come on, guys, like up the stream. I appreciate your support. There you go. There you go. Thanks, guys. I do need to remember to remind people, like, subscribe, comment, all of that type of stuff. But I always forget. I also forgot to pin the Discord community in the top pin comment. Yo, Matt, is weed legal where you're at? Nah, it's not legal here. Could get in a lot of trouble, actually. Okay, 2 minutes into the open. Strass, did you update your day from Wheeler? No, I forgot about that. Nobody else commented. Nobody else commented or liked. Yeah, I forgot about that. I won't lie. I'm gonna go back to it, but let me see. This is the note. These are the notes we took about it. I have meditated. Let me come back to that. We got to open in a second. Jose, have I took any trades? Yeah, I fumbled GU earlier, basically. I fumbled this trade like an idiot. I fumbled it, but it's all good. I feel youthful. You can still find it, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, I'm not much of a smoker, to be fair. I'm addicted to nicotine, but that's my vice. Okay, so 20 seconds until the open. What was your reasoning why you got out the good trade? No, I didn't get out of it. So basically what happened was I put in a starter position at the open. I thought we was going to creep higher. And then I decided to add to it. So I moved my stop, got stopped out. And then, you know, I drew out my plan from the morning, right? I had an alert right here. I drew this before I took any trades. And then I was a bit pissed off that I got stopped out. And then I said, you know what? I'm gonna stick to my plan. So I was ready to execute, but it just didn't come back in there. Then it just went without me. So that's basically what happened. But it's all good. How much you funded right now? I'm 0 funded, Chris. Starting again. Starting all over again. Just recently come back into trading. You know, I took a long break. I was funded the other day. Lost it quick. Shell Black really advocating for my stream. Appreciate you, bro. But there's a buying opportunity at EU as of now. I haven't been looking at EU. Looks pretty ugly, to be honest. And remember, guys, that we was remember, guys. You know, part of my reasoning, like in the morning, why I wanted to get into my GU at that level was also watching EG, and I was telling people, I was like, look, I'm watching for a quick pop on EG to reverse and lend isolated strength to GU. So that's what I use to time. I use EG all the time to time my trades, and I said, look, if this moves down, we're gonna have isolated strength in GU, which is what we got. And but yeah, we'll see how we see what happens to the rest of the session. Let's have a quick look at the indices. No movement. How did you get a funded account? It was on futures. So I was I was trying out futures. I made a video about it. It's one of my last videos. Well, it wasn't just about that. It was just about, like, it was like a week in the life. So it was just about trading that week and the end of the week. It all went downhill from there, because we found out we grinded our way to 7% on the FTMO challenge, got funded, and then the next week after, I've been stuck in the slump. Hasn't been easy. Had like problems on top of problems with execution, problems. It's just like bottom line is I'm struggling. But okay, so gold is starting to make a move down. Have that feeling that we are going to sell off we're going to at least have a nice stop hunt on gold, so I'm going to be watching that. It looks ready, but still bullish on gold overall, but we're going to see what happens. Also, let's not forget we've got this NFP revision. Never seen one of these before, so not sure what's going to happen there. So probably going to be on the sidelines until then. DXY, we're below 102. I'm bearish on DXY. We got more weakness to come, I think. But we'll see. Nothing going on right now on indices. Shell Black, I took profit. GJ 1 to 2 is good. 1 to 2 is lovely jubbly. I would love a 1 to 2 right now. I've just been struggling. And the thing is, it's not struggling in terms of, like I was trying to explain earlier on in the stream, like it's not struggling in terms of trading ideas. It's just been struggling with execution, mismanagement, hesitation. That's what I've been struggling with the last couple of weeks. So it's kind of like, really need work on in those areas. Gold is a buy, 24.92. I mean, I would love to be a buyer around 24.77. Doubt it's ever going to get there, but we'll see. But yeah, I just got a feeling there's a bit of bearishness in it at the moment. Didn't like this drop yesterday. Wasn't watching it, but we pumped, dropped straight back down, consolidated, drifted down during London. So let's see how it moves. Feels great sitting around on this live. Feels like there's someone who will be a trading buddy, but the difference is you can't talk, only chat. I appreciate you for hanging out. Don't forget to join the Discord. Chatting there. Maybe we'll do some calls or some live streaming inside the Discord or something like that. If anybody wants to see that. Price creeping to my buy limit on gold, 24.97. Hopefully the market hunts people stop loss at 24.97. SL at support at 24.85. We'll see. Gold liquidity grab. Speaking of the Discord, Matt, there's someone who messaged me with the same group picture name. Yeah, there's scammers in the Discord. It's difficult. From what I understand about Discord, it's difficult to get rid of them. I don't know how people change their name and profile picture, then DM people. But yeah, anybody, I wouldn't DM anybody. I've made an announcements about this. Ignore anybody that's trying to sell you something inside the Discord. I think it's with every Discord, from what I understand. There will always be like some kind of impersonator or scammer there. So yeah, please don't fall for that, guys. Common sense, please. I'm very naive when it comes to Discord. So yeah, but from what I hear, basically you can't get rid of these impersonators. They're always trying to DM you about some rubbish. Alright, let me zone in, see what I'm gonna do. Let's have a look at GU again. Just sitting below those last highs. We're fresh into this 130 level, right? I'm still bullish on GU. USD JPY, what's your thoughts? I don't trade, Dominic, I'm sorry, but I don't trade USD JPY. I've never traded it, and the reason why I don't trade it, well, I kind of always stuck with what I started with in the beginning, but I just don't understand the fundamentals behind it. So that's why I've always like not really traded JPY. But yen's been on a roll for a while. Could keep going. But sidelines until this NFP news, then we'll see if there is any impact, because I've never sat through one of these NFP revisions before, so it could be interesting. Guys, don't buy or sell gold. You need to wait until the close candle hourly chart. Good one. Yeah, I need to upgrade into I need to make some money off this forex thing so I can buy myself a mug. Been drinking coffee out of a glass, God knows how long. And this is the only glass I have in my house. I had 4 glasses and then I've dropped every one. So I need to go to IKEA or wherever to buy some glasses and mugs. Vivian broke my rules and took that long on NQ. I know you must have broke your rules for a good reason. Of course. It's looking good. But I don't know what this NFP thing is about. So it can't be enough. It can't really be a major. It's red news. It's NFP, but it's kind of an annual revision. So annual revision, I'm guess, is like they add up all the NFP numbers for the year. I don't know. I just don't think it might not even be a market mover, but we're gonna see. Shell filling gold is down more. Yeah, I've kind of been feeling that. I am looking for a long, but it just looks like he wants to give it back. Going for the high, Vivian. Why does my chart jump? Gold. My old friend gold. Where was we yesterday? Sorry, Monday stream, right? Trying to get long on gold. Gold short looks good. Gold short looks good. Into 24.77 maybe. But yeah, I'm sidelines on gold for now. Let's see what kind of price action we get below 2500. Currently waiting for gold to touch the 24.77 mark. Understand Federal Reserve, they were revising from 185 to going down to 175. Yeah, I thought I heard something similar. I did write these notes somewhere about it, so I'm sure I heard something about this NFP thing. Okay, so we've broken below 2500. Could be a clean stop hunt here. Could be a clean stop hunt. My hands was itching on a short on gold when I came on stream. My hands was itching, but I think we'll just see. We'll just have to wait and see what happens. Retail stop loss getting obliterated on gold. Yeah, don't look great. Looks like it's gonna be a strong stop hunt. Been feeling iffy about gold from London. It's got a breakthrough 2500 with some conviction though. If it pops back up, would be difficult to find a short as well. I wasn't trading yesterday, right? But vicious move on gold. I know that it was probably a lot of people trying to short it. Then it went mad. But it hasn't really gone that far. That's the thing. The thing that's making me iffy about gold as well is just looking at yesterday's session. Let's see what GU's doing. We could see GU come back to my level of interest again. Manly, gold creating lower lows. Stratus, my sell on gold is at 25.27, currently running in 2300-ish profit. Oh, you caught a sell on gold already, Stratus? Where did you catch that? You literally caught the top of the market. What's your sessions indicator? Mine was not that clear. My sessions is just called Sessions D. So if you search Sessions D on TradingView. TP hit already, filled the 4-hour bottom wick. Legend story. Not sure what you're trading. Right, so another 15 minutes or like 30 minutes until this NFP revision. I know, didn't start off the day too well, guys. But just gotta keep showing up every day. Keep showing up every day, staying positive. patient for opportunities, but gotta be decisive at the same time. NQ high took out. Yes, Vivian. Let's go. Nice. See what the SP500 is doing. I mean, it's just moving stubborn. It's just not going down, is it? It's just not going down. Mark was up 4k on JPN 225 London session only to break even. Did not take the liquidity at the top. Now revenge trading. Nah, don't do that, Mark. Sit on your hands and breathe easy. Or go outside and touch some grass. That's the best thing to do. But yeah, it's annoying when your trade goes all the way back. Stay strong, wait for yourself and execute. I'm gonna try Vivian. I mean, I was ready to. Yes, London session. And I was thinking to myself, I made a mistake, but then I was a bit pissed off, and then I was telling the stream, you know what? I don't care. I'm gonna execute. I'm executing my plan. And then it just never came back to my entry, and then we had to watch it for the rest of the day. Go hit TP. You know what I mean? But it's all good. Just gonna see how the session unfolds. I'm just gonna be a bit open now. I'm gonna be a bit open and just see how the session unfolds, and then look for a good opportunity. Run's waiting for his limit at 24.97. Not selling gold shell. In control. I'm just waiting until NFP. I think there's a further downside in gold, if I'm being honest. But gold is bullish overall, so whatever downside it is, likely just going to be a stop hunt. So I could just, if I miss it, I could be looking for a long. But I'm going to give it some space. I'd love to catch a long around these levels. We'll see what kind of momentum we get. It's been very compressed so far, which is understandable. We've come where, you know, we're at new levels, new all-time highs, 2,500. So it's just finding its feet right now. Stratus bullish SMT on gold. SMT is what is that? Smart money trap, I think. Easier said than done. Shake off the fear, believe in your edge. Yeah, and have to tell yourself daily. Yeah, I know. Sometimes it's good to give yourself a pep talk. And I was kind of like, I had to do that this morning, right? I was kind of getting, I don't know if he was on stream, but I was kind of like starting to feel like down. Oh, like I'm in a trading slump. You know, I was starting to feel down, and I had to give myself a pep talk. Like, no, I can do this. Let me just execute the plan, you know? And I was starting to feel positive again. And then, even though I missed the trade, didn't quite get the entry. I was like, you know what? I just got to execute and just not give a shit. To be honest, I've had some really bad execution problems the last couple of weeks. Just fumbled. So I just been fumbling. I've just been fumbling trades for the last 6 weeks, pretty much. Even when I was doing it, like I was going up slowly, right? Getting up on the FTMO account. Even though like I was still positive, I was fumbling so many trades. So many good trades I was fumbling. And it was just down to confidence, execution, and yeah. Aaron, missed your live. What's going on, brother? Just press the button. That's what I need to hear. Timothy, just keep pushing. Gonna try, Timothy. I am. I've got to show up every day, right? I've not given myself any choice. Gotta make it work. And yeah, probably do need a little bit of a break to kind of get myself together. But it's all good. Gonna just remain positive. Mehmet, mental resilience is an essential attribute to be a successful trader. 1,000,000%. 1,000,000%. We can't let our mental capital decline to, dangerous levels. We've got to keep our head up at times. System works during back testing, but I suck at live trading. Aaron, you and me both at the moment. It's like, in the live environment, I think all of us know it's difficult because the main variable is ourselves, not the system. Whether we're aware of it or not. But we're gonna get this. I'm bleeding on this personal account. Been bleeding it. Now we're down, I know, nearly £300. Just gotta shake my head. We're nearly down 1% on this challenge already. Also, I'm not gonna comment on that, you fool. But yeah, you gotta find out. Sometimes you do need to find an outlet or like just vent. Get your mind off trading. Go outside, touch some grass, live life. I don't know, trading's just one of those weird things. Like when you're down, when you're going on tilt, when you're blowing an account, it just feels like the end of the world, right? Like in that moment. But you can brush it off the next day to some extent. Right, so we got about 4 minutes until the NFP revision. I think gold looks the most interesting for me. So we're going to see what kind of reaction we get. We're going to see if we get if there's some momentum underneath 2500, that will be interesting. I am bullish, so looking for a setup to short above there might be a bit tricky. And this time I won't mess it up. Last time we was on stream, I tried to execute twice to go long on this leg here. And like a fool, I had the stop loss at 5 pips, and I realized after that's why it wasn't letting me execute. Ended up executing later on in the day, then got shook out of a position into Asia and lost a little bit of money here. But Mark, that's it. I'm long JPN, targeting the top. Is that the index? What did I need to look at? Let me also look at EG quickly. Could have just took a trade off EG this morning, but I rarely trade it. I only use it to line up GU. But could resume its downtrend. It just took a breather, so could see some further downtrend. But there is some Euro-centric news later on this week, so maybe not. Okay, downward revision, right? Let's see what happens, guys. 30 seconds. Nothing. No reaction so far. Oh, wait. Spoke too soon. What have we got here? Okay. What's this? It's a downward revision, obviously. Haven't seen the data yet. Where's the data? It's downward for sure. Downward revision. Where's the data? I don't know where the data is, guys. Let me know the data if you got it. Why did that just move different to my MT4? What broker is this? Owanda. That's strange. EU waterfall. Manly, gold at your buy levels. Not my buy levels. I should be looking for a short. It was looking fishy earlier on, gold. It was looking very fishy. Trading view is delayed by 10 minutes sometimes. Nah, Cassidy, can't be. I know sometimes, I guess, a few seconds or whatnot. GU still holding up well. Interesting. So definitely isolated strength in GU. Like, oh, okay, Euros bounce back as well. Let's look at DXY. Quick spike in DXY. A long way into 102 though. Still bearish on DXY for now. Quick spike on yields. You know what also looks kind of interesting, but I haven't mentioned it. I haven't been looking at it, but I got a feeling I haven't been looking at Bitcoin, but I just got a funny feeling Bitcoin is gonna start. I know everyone's forgotten about crypto at the moment, but I've got a sneaking suspicion that we might enter a little bit of a bullish move in the coming days. For some reason, I don't know. I'll be looking at Bitcoin more now. Buy limit on gold at 24.97 slips. Got an entry at 24.95. I'll take it. Lucky you. Careful though. Well, check the movement order 1 minute. Going to wait for a retracement on NQ and go long again. What has it done on oh, it's just moved up a little bit. I'm just quickly looking at Apple because a friend of mine's been trading Apple, smashing it, but I think he got out of his position yesterday. So GU still looking good, breaking into the new 50 box. I don't know, it's just a bit difficult for me to go long after missing it this morning, but we'll see. We do have FOMC minutes, and I'm not going to be up to trade that, but then I've also got to take into account the market could slow down into FOMC minutes, so I should really be looking for some kind of short-term move here, maybe, because I'm not sure how long I'll be able to hold a trade. So I might just GU is getting away. GU is getting away. Oh, there you go. This was a decent pullback here. Decent pullback. I don't know. Gold short is kind of the only thing I'm looking at short term. But I have to be cautious. Yeah, it might be just finding its way up for a little while. Let's wait and see. Hey TFC Jenny. Gold's starting to break down now, below 0.0. Could be going for it here. I might have just missed it, but yeah, could be breaking down. Hey William, how you doing, mate? So glad you got out of GJ. Yeah. Yeah, gotta take the profit and run sometimes, no? Haha, trading isn't easy, who knew? Well, it seems easy from what I see. But I'm having a hard time. But no. Sometimes you're the windshield, sometimes you're the bug. Nah, Mark, I always get the swing account too. Always traded the swing account with FTMR. I don't think you really need 1 to 100 leverage on these prop accounts. 1 to 30 is more than enough, I've always found. Kai, how you doing? Remember the times when you was profitable, what you did right. Yeah, Kai, thank you for the encouragement. Been a little while since I've been profitable, but I do need to spend a lot more time reflecting and journaling for sure. But yeah, gonna keep showing up this week. Tomorrow we're gonna stream again, London and New York session. And yeah, need to work on my execution a lot. Okay, so a little pump back up. Maybe we're not going short. Does FTMO allow scalping? As far as I know, never really done like scalps, as in like been in and out of position in like seconds or a couple minutes. Not sure about the rules around that with prop firms. But yeah, most prop firms will look for a way to. There's always rules to dance around. Waiting for the pullback on NQ. Let's have a quick look at NQ and SP. Just tapped into yesterday's high on SP. Decent pullback in gold. Decent pullback to 24.94. Roughly where I was trying to get long on Monday. So could just be a sweet sweep here on gold. But at the same time, I'm just being mindful of FOMC minutes in front of us, thinking about what short-term opportunities we can get. Wanted to show it was NFP revision. NQ retracement incoming. Not very clear on indexes at the moment. GU seems like it's pushing higher. Alright, just gone short gold. could get out of it quickly as well. Probably risked a little bit too much, but maybe this momentum ain't over. I don't really like the way gold popped on my entry though, to be honest. Still some momentum there, could just squeeze up on me. But if I'm gonna go short, I think this is a decent spot. And I know I'm on a 1 minute. But we don't have, I'm looking for more of a short-term trade. And I'm going to reduce my risk because I'm actually going to reduce my risk by quite a bit. I don't really like the way it just popped there. But if we get back below 2500, then maybe that's the only pullback we're gonna get. Sorry, ODR. Maybe we can break down a little bit further. If it pops back up, then we'll take the little L. Vivian long on NQ, targeting London highs from yesterday. What kind of news that moves gold? We just had the NFP revision, annual revision. Mega, nah, it's just a challenge account. Why my music's glitching? Legend story, current trade BE. So we just spiked into 2500. Need to see a clean break if I'm going to have confidence holding this trade. I'm not sure if I just should. I did basically, what's it called? Reduce my risk, but this is it's still quite iffy. Need to see a clean break of 25. Thanks, Mega. What's up, Rip Figure? M30 gold head and shoulders pattern. Struggling to break below 2500 here. Shell Black 500 good, close your order. Yeah, I would like to just see if we can actually break through 2500, but yeah, it's a very good chance we could just pop back up because I didn't like there's quite a bit of momentum here. And I am long bias on gold. I just thought I've just been looking since the open. It's been looking a bit fishy. We did have a stop hunt and we did tap into good levels. So it's more of a scalp. Aaron, I said mega. What's wrong with you? Jose, nah, it's challenge account. Your boy's not funded anymore. Far from it. Yeah, it's coming back to me now. Don't be greedy if it's that challenge FTMO. Nah. That one's RIP, man. Live in PH2. What are the best times to trade GU? Anytime really, but London and New York open. But there's moves in Asia too. Jury FX, how you doing? Hope your day's been going well. GU still there. Still looking okay. Andrea, where did you find this news on Forest Factory? This last news was not listed. Yeah, I only noticed it like an hour ago, and I just noticed it on TradingView. So right here, so it just popped up. Very sneaky, right? I still haven't got the figures for it. Justin, yes, it's a proper count challenge. Alright, so we didn't get a break of 2500. DXY seems to be moving down too. Hopefully, Jure, but there is some momentum behind here, so there's still some strength here. I kind of felt it when I entered, and we didn't break 2500, so good chance I could get stopped out, to be fair. Need to see a clean break of 2500. Yeah, I managed the risk already, Jure. I did move my stop a bit lower now. After I saw the break of 2500, so actually, you know what I just forgot, guys? Because I'm trading at E8 one step challenge, I've only got a 2% profit cap on here, so I can't even I'm not gonna let the trade run a lot. Ideally my lot, like to get in long, I was looking at 24.77, but I can get out way before then because I only got 2% profit cap. I should have took this on the personal as well. Not yet, Kai. We're not safe yet. Need to see break of lows and clean break of 2500, but there's still some strength here. So still not out the woods. Just had a half an hour, first hour of New York session as well, just closed. Yeah, Joey, they got a profit cap. That's exactly why I chose this challenge. It's profit cap 2% each day, loss cap 2% each day, and last couple of weeks I've been struggling. Because anytime I get past the 2% loss, I'm very prone to going on tilt, as you know. So I thought it would do me good to try out this step 1 challenge. But there's only an 8% target, so that's like the good thing, right? Shelb, like, you think I'm good at being greedy? Depends. Ivan, how you doing, bro? Yeah, Ron. Kinda. I mean, they brought out this one step challenge in response to, this was like right in the middle of the storm of, payout denials, people getting banned. So it was like, 3 or 4 months ago, they brought out this model, and I thought it was a good idea. If they can sell a challenge and it's like basically there's no way they can deny you a payout, no way they can ban you because they've limited the challenge, then I thought, okay, I'd rather be it sounds like a really good idea to me. Because I mean, sometimes even having a 2% profit cap, right? How many times have we been up 4 or 5% on a day, even on a funded or whatever, or on a challenge, and then because we've given it back, or our profits just evaporated in front of our face, how many times have we gone on tilt? I know I have. Do you know what I mean? So sometimes it's good to end the day just quick, steady 2%. Right now, Philippines can get the 1 step max from My Funded FX. Yeah, My Funded FX have got the exact same challenge. I've also got the My Funded FX challenge, which I haven't started yet. So, it's starting to come back now. Let's have a look. DXY. Figure, did I ever dispute my TFT challenge since they were a scam? To be honest, To be honest, I made a lot of money out of TFT. So I bought 600k in challenges, right, in the beginning of the year. I bought them on Black Friday when they was cheap. And I did blow them just before they went under. So a couple days before they went under, I blew the challenges fair and square. That was because of there was that difference in balance because of the commissions and the spread. So like when I was going through like a 8% drawdown on like my FTMOs and everything was connected to a trade copy, I lost the TFT challenges, right? So I could have disputed it, I guess, and tried charge back, but I lost the challenges fair and square. I've made plenty of money out of TFT, so I just thought, you know what, I'll just take the L. We should take the L. And like, as much as we probably I know like TFT hurt a lot of people, right? They hurt a lot of people because there was one of the biggest firms out there. But we're seeing the same symptoms in the prop firm industry today. So I don't think they didn't mean to shut down. I'm sure they wanted to keep going. They just had that liquidity problem, and they just mismanaged the firm with the promos and got too big. They just grew too big, right? So, but we're seeing the same thing happen throughout the prop firm industry. That was just that was the canary in the coal mine. Do you know what I mean? And they're still going now. I don't know who's trading with them. But yeah. So do a challenge. If you pass, you get paid. Now you got to pass and then secure a payout. Gold fill my entry at 24.97 before you go back up. Stratus, you're fading me. Yeah, I could secure some profits, to be honest. And actually, to be fair, basically, there's no way that this is not my target, right? But that's basically my profit cap of the day. Stratus, thanks for filling my entry, by the way. Minus 808k for the year, which is not good for the currency. So I think it's about time I can move to break even, I think, now. Still struggling here with breaking below 2500. Take your profit, bro. Chill, I will take my profit if I break this. If we start breaking up just a little bit more. But I'm thinking we're gonna, hopefully we can dump a little bit more. If this flips on me, I'll just take half my profit off. Just waiting to see if we break lows, and then take some profit off at the low. I haven't. Add more size. I would normally, probably, but there's no point in me adding size on this trade. I've already got enough because I got a profit. I got a profit cap, so it doesn't really need to go that far. And what's it called? But yeah, if this candle starts flipping on me, then I'll just take 50% off. But I'm just letting it just break a little bit more, perhaps. Looks like it wants to break. It's just hesitating a little bit. Just closing a quarter position right there. But I think we're gonna go a bit more. Time is it? Yeah, we got a little bit more. Got a 15 minute candle as well. Let's just wait a little bit more. Yeah, I control my SSL. Good idea, Ron. Thank you. Because pretty much close a bit more, and yeah, all good. I'll just leave it like that. Not sure. It's kind of still got some strength in it, to be honest. Didn't quite break. So if If it comes back, takes me out. I got my stop basically at 2500. So break back above there, it's gonna find momentum anyway. So I left a little bit of profit on the table, but it's all good. All right, we're out. Hey mate, just coming into the 4-hour demand. Yeah, I'm still bullish on gold. I just thought that we've got a little bit to give back. I would love for it to get down here. I think it's still gonna go, if I'm gonna be completely honest. Might should be a little bit of a retracement, but I think it's still got room to go down. You should have a celebration sound. It's only a little trade, Cassidy, but I'm grateful that I managed to make something back. Got celebration sounds, you know. Let me see. Oh wait, is that too loud? Yeah, I got celebration sounds on my software. But yeah, listen. I mean, if I caught this GU trade in the morning London session and I didn't mess it up, would have had something to celebrate today. Get back a little bit. W's. It's been a while since we had a W, no? Alright. Let's see if we can get 324.91. It's tricky. There was just a bit of bearishness coming in. I'm not sure how far it's really gonna go though. Needs to be louder. Oh, okay. I thought it might have been too loud. No, we still haven't really cracked 2500. Still haven't really cracked it yet. So maybe the stop was a little bit too tight. And yeah, the reason I kind of dropped down to the 1 minute to take this is because we've got FOMC minutes ahead. Not sure how much the market's going to do before we start coming into that and consolidating perhaps. And yeah, as you know, it's quite late here in the Philippines. So FOMC minutes, I'm more than likely going to be asleep in my bed. But what else is the market doing? Oh, damn. Looks like we keep pushing higher on indices. I know a few people were catching longs on the NAS. Vivian, where are you? Tell me you caught this. I'm just looking at Apple because one of my good friends that trades options actually posted about it in the Discord, right? I've been talking about it the last few days. He did get out of Apple yesterday. He's been holding on to it for a while, and this is the guy, this my friend that he helped me catch an option trade on AMC. Basically that helped me out a lot a few months ago. Damn, if he held on to his option, right? I just posted it on Discord, right? He flipped like 4K into like 16K. And he was holding Apple and Nvidia for like since last week. And he got out yesterday, but we was kind of talking today. Just keeps going. Just keeps going. Market just don't stop. Well, I talk too soon. Spinning back around. Yep, it was lovely. Are you out, Vivian? Look, GJ. IB was kind of weird with NQ. A lot of volatility. Managed to place 2 longs. Hit for 1 to 6, 1 to 2. Let's go. Clean. Oh yeah, Andy, just got a quick 1 hour win on Google Calls. Yeah, I see you post that. Yeah, I read that some people be gifted. No, I was right. I was explaining when I wrote that my friend, he's not even a serious trader. He just does it for a hobby, but he's been doing it for years. He just puts money in an account, flips it, takes it back out in options. And yeah, a few months ago he called me. He said, this time I wasn't trading. I was dead in the water. I was on a break from trading, right? I was on a break from trading, stressed out. And he used to always call me like 8-10 times. Jump on these options with me. And I always used to say, no, I'm doing my challenges. I don't want to risk no money. When he called me last time, when AMC was like, that Monday was going off, he called me. He said, oh, the AMC, come jumping with me. And I just thought, F it. I just sent over some money. Next thing you know, made more money on one option than I did. Well, I haven't made any money from challenges this year. So I am like, he's been just bugging me to learn more about options. But options is not popular in the UK because well, I don't know why actually. But yeah, let's see what else the market is doing. GU is still keeps going. But I'm not gonna cry over spilt milk. Messed up the execution today in the morning. And yeah, keeps going. This was a decent pullback on GU. Looks like it's running up. EU still floating. Strong reversal here though on the SP 500. Yeah, so we've moved back up on gold. So yeah, that was a bit short-lived. Oh wait, I've got SP. Strong move down, guys, on SP 500. Good thing I nailed gold. Needed to nail something, Ron. But yeah, it was a good little scalp. Good little scalp. Made up for this mess earlier on GU. Forgot to take the trade on the personal account as well, actually. Didn't really have time. This reversal looks pretty meaningful. Had a nice squeeze there. I don't know. It's tempting to be looking for a short. Have a big feeling GJ down more. Yeah, as I said, not tapped into the yen at all, so I have no idea what's going on. But interesting. What's GU doing? GU still strong. Gold just taking Asian low. We might see now a bullish move. It's possible, but it doesn't look decisive. You think Naz is a buyer on? I mean, all it's been doing is going up, right? That's a pretty strong engulfing candle, though. But we got hourly close in about 3 minutes, so it's always interesting to see what kind of what the candle ends up looking like. Cantrix, I'm down $25. No Jollibee for me. I still haven't had Jollibee since I've been here in the Philippines. I need to go searching for it. Cause the crazy thing is where I live, because there's a Jollibee everywhere, right? But where I live, there was 2 Jollibees, both of them closed down. Not sure why. Just got out of the gold buy with 60 pips. Nice. What do you mean, sorry if you give some insight? Stratus, share, man. You'll cover the Jollibee, yeah? Vivian, like the mango pie. Yes. It's pretty cool. Beats the apple pie. Don't know, bounce back a little bit, but I still think Cassidy McChicken Joy. Mega gold. The gold sale was okay. It was just a little bit short-lived. Got some profit out of it though. Yeah, usually after stream when there's nothing open, because I usually end stream at like 1 or 2 a.m. right? There are a couple options, but I usually find myself in McDonald's, can't lie, or Popeyes. So not the healthy living I was planning for moving here. It's difficult to be looking for a short on SP, but I think one's setting up. It's difficult though. Could just easily just pop and squeeze. But that's quite a strong move down. What's DXY doing? Nothing much. It's looking good. Might be worth taking a small position and scaling in. Let's have a quick look at NAS as well. NAS is still green on the session. NAS is still green on the session. So we haven't seen red on NAS yet. And so is the SP. SP is still green on session. So I guess we can wait a little bit. See what happens. Fries dipping into the Oreo McFlurry at night. Crazy. That's crazy, Cassidy. Saw someone dipping fries in ice cream on UYT. Looks fire. Oh, Vivian. I don't even know how people have Coke floats. That's like, we don't have them in the UK. I don't even know how people have Coca-Cola with ice cream floating on top. Queer pregnant women will eat it always. Hey yo, DXY near year open range. Interesting. I think DXY has quite a bit of room to the downside. I am bearish overall on DXY. And 100's not far away. Yeah. Not sure motorsports yet, just observing the market. Not sure. Interested in shorts on the SP 500, but it's dangerous. Gonna give it a little bit more time. Mark, cult flow equals diabetes. Might just be sideways from here to FOMC layer. Yeah, that's kind of why I decided to scalp that gold trade. Could be, but there seems to be quite a lot of movement in the market, I would say. Not too much, but yeah, this caught me by surprise. This move down here, wasn't really watching it, but it's interesting. Mukbang and trade. Yeah, I could just order food. Still down on the personal account though. Might take a trade on it. TFT, what country you from? I'm from the UK, but I'm half Filipino. So I'm in the Philippines, my second home. Maybe create a sub-channel trading desk pictures. What does that mean, Ron? Not too sure. Vivian, on the sidelines with NQ, still have a bullish bias until we see a break of structure on higher time frame. Gogo, still waiting for the next vlog. I know. I've just been slacking when it comes to making videos. Because I've been going live. I've been going live a lot. I mean, it's funny, right? It took me about 2 years to make 35 videos, but I've gone on live since live streaming. I've been on live for I'm not even too sure. How many lives have I done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I've done nearly 20 lives, roughly. So I've done more content live streaming than I've done in so it's kind of took over from making videos, but I weren't really good at making videos anyway. So I think live streaming is it's just a bit easier. Plus I can interact with you guys in real time. But yeah, I'll gotta make a vlog or another what's it called? Another trading video, normal video at one stage. Personal trading PC setup. It's very simple. One monitor. You know the funny thing is, I wasn't trading off a monitor for the longest time. I only started trading off a monitor really when I moved here. So I've been trading on my laptop and phone since forever. So I've only recently started trading with a monitor. So I've got one widescreen monitor. I've still got a laptop, MacBook, and that's it. Got a cheap mic, cheap webcam. When I record videos, it's off my iPhone. So pretty simple. Keep it pretty simple, to be fair. I suppose it's always useful to have multi-screen monitors and stuff like that. Maybe I will have in the future, but coming from a small laptop and now trading with a monitor, and there was no reason why I didn't get a monitor in the beginning. I just didn't bother, to be honest. But yeah, it's definitely good. Listening to Matt is like watching BBC for trading, at least for a non-Brit like me. Is my accent that thick? How about for the Filipinos in the chat? Can they understand my accent very well? Just curious. Right, so yeah, just recovering a little bit on SP gold. So it's kind of, guess it's kind of slowed down now. GU still GU's kind of done what it needed to do for now. Maybe we're gonna see like more action, more breakouts during coming into the FOMC, but you know, things have kind of cooled down now. Hey yo, 3,900 subs is rocketing. The channel has grown quite a bit since I started streaming, to be fair, and since the last couple videos. I think it was I can't remember where it was, but I haven't been keeping an eye on it too much. But Vivian, my accent's too thick. I can understand though. You know, the funny thing is, like, before my accent wasn't as, like, when I was living abroad before, my accent wasn't as thick. Kind of wears off. See, water bottle shell. What's that? Cantrix, I'm actually curious what people think here in PH when you talk to them, because you look so Panay. Yeah, of course I can blend in. So I look more Filipino than I do English, I would say. Like, people still, I guess they can still notice, maybe maybe you know what's funny, maybe because of, like, I don't know, my nose or something, but I still know, the funny thing is I still know some words of Tagalog, so I can still, like, ask some, like, how much is this, you know, da 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 da, so I can still get away with it a little bit to just blend in. SP 500 is pushing back higher. Still think there's an opportunity to short at some point. Gold seems to have recovered back. I still think there's a chance to short, but we'll see. I mean, indexes just keep pushing higher, right? Just keep pushing higher, giving the bears no joy at all. And we haven't been negative today at all. We've just been what's it called? So yeah. Nvidia's been on a crazy rally, right? So gold, we didn't really sustain below 2500 at all. So we're just bouncing back now. Actually starting to look like a decent pullback. So if anybody caught that long, starting to look good. Nas buy idea floating 1R. Cool. Mark, still long on gold. 5-minute FVG looks good. Nice. I'm still interested in taking SP500 short. We did push back up. Yeah, just gotta be careful. Could just keep going. Could just be one of those stop hunts to induce people short. Cash still holding long gold 2470. Nice. Let me just take a short on the personal, bro. TFT still don't have an entry, still waiting for your setup. What are you looking at, TFT? What pair? was just thinking about shorting the SP 500, but still could squeeze a little bit higher, I reckon. Still can go up a little bit more, but might be interested in it. Gold seems to be moving up. I think we're gonna squeeze a little bit higher on SP and potentially look for a short. What are you cooking, Duchess? Quickly look at the Nasdaq as well. Just double check this. Not moving down before. So yeah, I am a little bit interested in a short on SP 500. I just don't want to take it now. Just waiting for a bit of another squeeze higher, but just gotta be a bit careful because it's a bit of a risky trade. There's still news later. It's gonna get crazy. Yeah, Mark. I'm gonna miss the FOMC minutes, unfortunately, just due to the time here in the Philippines. But yeah, there's PMIs tomorrow. There's also, what else is happening tomorrow? Jackson Hole jobless claims. So there's a bit of news tomorrow. Chicken, wedges, mac cheese, Caesar salad, coleslaw. Sounds like a good combination. From fresh or from frozen? Nah, to be fair, when it comes to Caesar salad, I usually get the pack. Yeah, sounds yummy, no, Vivian. Stratus, let's have dinner soon, guys, around BGC or Makati. Yeah, we should organize a meetup soon. There is a Philippines chat in the Discord, so like people that live here or come in here can connect with each other. Chicken and wedges freshly made, Duchess. Nah. You sure? Oh yeah, chicken of course, but wedges. You're going the extra mile there. So about 5 minutes away from the London close as well. But not hard to boil potato. You got me there. Ah. Yeah, I do the same thing cooking roast potatoes. Boil them first to get them fluffy inside. Bit of salt and pepper, olive oil. Right, so we're getting this little bit of push further on SP500. It looks like it was setting up for a little bit more of a squeeze. So I'll see how it goes. But gold seems to have recovered quite a bit. So back comfortably above 2500. GU starting to, just keeps running. Damn GU. There's a lesson not to scale in too early. Should have held your EU position, closed early to recover early loss. Yeah, I've been guilty of that several times. But it's still green or flat, so it's all good. It's all good. I mean, I'm not even mad at myself earlier, missing the opportunity to go long for the second time on GU. Yeah, just let it go. Selling JPY crosses has been good today, up 2%. Nice and light, nice. Being break even is actually winning, so it's all Gucci. Yeah, man. Kai, hope NQ goes lower to buy. About to close the London hour here, so I thought we was going to get a little bit more of a squeeze up. Maybe it's just going to continue selling off because I am looking for the short, but I like short. Going short on indexes right now, it's difficult. But I mean, this could be just one big inducement. I think NQ will range until the FOMC. Yeah, good point, Vivian. Good point. But I mean, we barely really moved. So it can. I reckon it can give something. I guess we are a little bit. We are positive on the SP and NQ. It usually does before red folder news on PM. I'm still stalking out a short at the moment. Wait. Where's the music? What happened to the music? YOLO, what's up, mate? Stacey Burt's trading strategy. SB trading. Mark, I'm not even looking at my chart. I'm just watching here to check the trade. What trade are you in again, Mark? I forgot now. Oh, you're long on gold, I think. Gold, yeah. So yeah, looks like we're gonna get that further squeeze, I reckon. But yeah, still interested in a short. Maybe around 56.20, 56.21. Or lower if it doesn't squeeze back up. if we see it break down a lot, I think I won't mind trying to get short on momentum as well. But let's wait. Should be a decent should be a bit more of a squeeze. Over playful short on EU and GU. Been trying to catch the longs on GU, not really EU because I don't trade EU, but been bullish on it from Tuesday really, but from Monday. Still think it's got a little bit to go. Cracked above 130.50 on GU, so could go on for the next 0-0 level, but so still looks good on GU long. But yeah, missed out on GU today. Missed out. Missed out, but let it go. Just let it go. Let it go. But yeah, we could see a nice run into 3100. If we look at EG could go down further too. Could have also took the short on EG as well, but is that all we're gonna get? Squeeze wise? Could be. Could be worth scalping now. Short. Ideally 56.20. Alright, just gone short. Small risk. I could probably just scale into it because it could come back up. Could still come back up. On a bigger scale, we're not really moving on NQ. Yeah, could do. I'm just thinking it's worth a try. And if we do break lows, then could be looking good. Could also get that squeeze on me. Let's see. Yeah, let me just cut it. I think it's just gonna squeeze a little bit more. Or maybe take it short later. Just wait. Patience. Maybe not. Maybe it's ready. So I guess we got the FOMC FOMC minutes in 2 hours. The closer we get there, the less likely price is actually going to do anything. That's why I'm thinking catch a quick scalp now. But yeah, we might just be not doing anything. So come to think of it, maybe I yeah, if something happens, it should happen quickly. We'll see. Yeah, pretty much an open price. SRV. Yeah, it was a scalp, but I've been waiting for it to squeeze higher. I thought maybe it would be ready for the short, but I changed my mind, to be honest. Migs, good evening. Mark done for the day, not going to give profit back to the market. Yeah. Yep. Call it a day. Are you did you get out of the gold trade? You was long gold now. Nice trade. I don't know. GU keeps going. Yeah, we seem pretty indecisive right now on indexes. It's just ranging around. Yasin, challenge. If you're asking about my FTMO challenge, that's gone. That's RIP. This challenge, nothing much has happened so far. Just started it. Ron still holding gold. I don't know. We're not really getting another push higher on SP 500. If this starts dropping with some momentum, I still will try short it. Ideally, I would like it to just squeeze up to about 56.20 so I can take it short, because that's what I thought it was kind of wedging here to do. But maybe that's enough. Maybe we could turn red before FOMC, because this was quite, I don't know. This could just be a stop hunt or inducement. But I got a feeling that we're gonna see a little bit more of a sell-off. Usually what I find when gold is strong, indices are weak, opposite correlation, but not always. Yeah, definitely not always. Sometimes they can move together. It's hard to nail down correlations on gold. I know traditionally people think that gold goes up, that means it's risk off, so indices go down or vice versa. But then you got to factor in what's happening with yields, factor in what's happening with the dollar, outlying factors. So yeah, correlations are not they're always shifting. And gold's still looking good. Still pushing up. Okay, we're starting to see. That's the thing, right? I was thinking that maybe we was gonna squeeze higher, so I was being cautious, right? But I still wanna go short. Now it's just a bit riskier. Let's see. Now it could just be That's what I'm saying. I don't like it when Alex Nas 100 about to melt. It's starting to gear up that way. Might have to get back into my short here and catch this momentum, because this is what I was looking for, but I was kind of thinking that it was going to get squeezed one more time. But I think because like coming into the hourly close as well, I might have got out my short. I might have got scared out of it prematurely. Still looks good. Just going to be difficult now. Let's have a look. Yeah, man. Because this here don't look. This here looks quite meaningful to me. Yeah, it's going for it. It's going for it. About to crack 5,600 now. Another thing is like, I would take it short now. I would take it short, but I'm also mindful. I'm also mindful that it's gonna look like I'm FOMO into the trade. Because where we didn't break, never really broke higher for another squeeze, right? Wedged up, looking like we was going to take the squeeze, but we didn't. Squeeze a little bit more. Now we're here. Let's see. I think it's still worth taking short. Alright, I took it short lower, guys. It is what it is. It is what it is. I would have liked to have been in this position and possibly scale in. And I could give it more breathing room, but if we start coming back, then yeah, maybe then that's it. No more short. If it's got any real momentum, then we should just break here. And it's not much size, to be fair. Got hourly candle close as well. Hopefully gives us a break in our direction. Wiz No Fear. Thanks for hanging out on stream. I'm glad you found our channel. Struggling to get the first payout. Yeah, I was struggling for such a long time with that, brother. Once you get over that psychological barrier, things get a little bit easier. I'm still struggling, but yeah, but to get to the first payout took me a while. Took me like, I think I blew four or five funded accounts before I finally took a small payout. So yeah, clean break of 5600 here. That's going to give me a little bit more confidence that we've got some momentum and we're in the right move. Shame about getting out early here. Not getting out early. I kind of changed my mind a little bit because I was thinking that, yeah, I was waiting for it to squeeze higher to about 5620 and then try go short there. But looks like, yeah, momentum's kind of stepped back in. Hopefully, but we've got hourly candle close, so I'm hoping that it kind of breaks this low on the as we close the hour. So hopefully, let's see. Could just spin back on me, but I've only got a small amount of risk, and I've kept the stop there because if it just pumps up, then yeah, then basically we're probably gonna just head into FOMC minutes in consolidation. So that's my reasoning behind getting in lower. Not comfortable to do so. Not comfortable to take the short lower, but is what it is. Yeah, I feel you, Wiz. I'm all in as well. Burnt all the ships. Gotta make it work, man. And it's gonna be tough. It's been tough. It's been tough. Last couple months. Last 2 months. Struggling. Smiley, how you doing? Thanks, Smiley, appreciate that. Good to see you here. Still haven't really broken through. Got hourly candle close coming up in a few seconds. Let's see if we find some momentum here and break close. Just got out a long of gold, done for the day. Yeah, gold longs was looking good earlier. Well, I was in short, but yeah, gold just keeps going up. Still waiting for this to break. I could add a little bit. Because I don't have much risk on, and if it's gonna break higher, if it breaks past me, then I'm in the wrong. Then I'm definitely in the wrong trade. So I could be adding in here. Because if we go back up, we're probably just gonna consolidate for a bit. So, should I risk a little bit more? No, RSVC says no, don't risk anymore. Okay, I got you, RSV. I'm listening to you. It's all good. Everyone has their own approach to the market. I never trade longer than the 3-hour session window. Yeah, I've got a 3-hour session window too, actually. I do trade outside it, but yeah, everyone's got their own approach, and it's good to have fixed times to to be disciplined, right? Keeps you focused in. All right, starting to give a little bit of way here. So you know what? I'm not mad. You know what? I'm very happy. I'm not like, like when I got out of the trade here, I'm not like too mad at myself. I thought we was gonna squeeze a little bit higher. I was looking that way. But I'm actually happy that I did not hesitate to sell here. But we haven't seen it do anything yet. But we could see this type of. We could see this. This could be a real bit of momentum, and we could see it go a little bit lower into FOMC minutes. So if anything's gonna happen, hopefully it happens now. Because if you go back up and start consolidating, then pretty much done. But if we can get a quick move before FOMC, that would be nice. SXI beats, listen to your plan. Yeah, man, definitely. I was trying to I was coming to that. I came to that conclusion in the London stream, right? And I didn't listen to my plan in the morning. I mean, I did go long, but I just went in long a little bit earlier, right, on GU, and I went long a little bit earlier on GU, and then I added in too early, which wasn't part of my plan. Then I moved my stop up, and then I was a little bit upset. And then I was on stream. I was like, "This is my plan here now." Like I was like, "Yeah, I'm gonna go with my plan," but just missed it. But this would have been a good trade. This would have been a good trade. But yeah, go with the plan. But yeah, don't have much size on this, so I'm gonna let this trade go regardless to see what happens if you can get a bit further down. No more hesitation, man. We go all in. Try it, bro. FOMC as well. I just got that go. I'm gonna be sleeping for FOMC. SIX beats. Yes, it's always good to try and review. Wow, try and review ourselves in real time, no? Alright, let's see. Maybe it's gonna break back above 5,600. Then in that case, might not be going anywhere yet. Or could be giving me an opportunity to add in, but I'm gonna listen to my friend RSV and not add in. I don't really want to add in, to be fair. It's like we just want to have a low risk trade. Thanks, Cassidy. Have a good evening. See you tomorrow if you're around. TFT journey selling gold now. Can't manage more position, maybe because I'm I always just have one position. Yeah, I know what you mean, go. It's I do have multiple positions sometimes, but usually I'm the same, just one position. RSV got order at 55.70. The yawns are coming back. I think we put in a shift. I think last stream, London stream, that was 4 hours. We've been running coming up to 3 hours on this. Which account I'm trading? I'm trading the E8 Pro challenge one step. So it's a little bit of a different challenge model that I'm used to. I'm just used to FTMO and normal challenges, to be fair. But this one step is 2% profit cap, 2% loss cap either way. So kind of I'm hoping it just keeps me in check. So I'm trading this for now. Still basically break even pretty much. Still break even, so yeah. Still not really going crazy on it yet. Sorry. SXI beats profit cap is crazy. Yeah, I hear you. It's definitely not a popular model. But it has its advantages. It's coming back now a little bit. Oh, yawning. It's looking quite strong. No, it doesn't have a trading drawdown. It's balance based drawdown. Good model. I think two-step just takes too much time. Yeah, one of the key advantages of this challenge is only 8% target one step. So I think that's what balance it out a little bit, and it keeps you in check because losing 2% in a day is one thing. Usually when I go past 2%, I usually very vulnerable to going on tilt. And that's the problem I've been having recently. So that part of it, the loss cap, definitely is the one of the main attractions for me taking the challenge. But also the 2% profit cap is not that bad when you think about it. If you have a 2% day, that's good. That's nice. Sometimes like when we got when that profit cap's unlimited and you're hitting big trades and you're up 10%, 8%, how many times have we gone back? How many times have we been in floating profit, lost it, and then went on tilt after? Got up on 8, 10k on a funded account, started taking a few small losses, and then went mad. Like I've done that too many times. So sometimes it's also good to just be a bit controlled on the profit side. It does keep you in check a little bit. And if you're getting 2%, couple good days on a funded account, 4%, that's good. Plus it's cheaper than a normal challenge, and plus you can buy. I think it's like 400k you can get, and then with the other one, my funded effects, you can get like 600k. So I think it's a pretty good model. Haven't seen a one step without trading drawdown. Yeah, this is it's not futures, it's just normal CFD. And it's 8% target. That's like, imagine, like normally we're trying to get 15% in 2 phases, 13%, but you only got 8%. So if you was like, obviously I'm not risking much at the moment. I'm not really going all in. And I will be, but like just 4 good green days and you're funded already. And then you got a 2% profit cap, but couple good days, lock in 4% and you're good. Pay out every week with this one. Cheaper than a normal challenge. I think it's like, I'm not affiliated with them or anything, but I just think it's got some. I just think this is not this model is not popular because of the profit cap, but it should be. And they released it because a few months ago everybody was everyone was going through payout denials, getting breached. So I think them releasing this challenge was kind of like them saying, you know what, here's this challenge, it's more difficult, maybe it caps your profit, but they basically said green flag, like we're gonna pay you out no matter what happens. So that's what's even more important to me, because these days it's like getting paid out is hit and miss these days. So if there's a challenge and they're saying, okay, we're gonna pay you out 100%, like then there's no like silly rule. I think there's news. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Yeah, there is a news rule on this. I think there is a news rule on this. I didn't take any trades during news, did I? Nah, I don't think so. Yeah, there is a news rule on this. I think like 2 or 3 minutes before or after. I need to remember that, because before I've been so used to trading FTMO swing counts and not really having to watch out for news, so I need to remind myself of that as well. So I don't think I trade anything on news. Nah. What company? My Funded FX and E8. So there's 2 companies that do this kind of challenge. I'll show you guys on let me just. Yeah, this what's it called? This trade looking like he wants to spin back. So I don't know. Still just floating around, but it's only $100 risk, so I'll just leave it. Yeah, so basically this challenge here, E8 one step. Let's see. Where is it? Yeah, so this challenge here, E8 one step, you can get 90% profit split as well because there's some kind of coupon or bonus at the moment. 8% target, 2% daily pause. So that's when they pause your account when you reach 2% loss or 2% profit. 8% target, balance-based drawdown, 0 commissions. And look, basically the risk, not risk to reward, but the RR of the challenge is 1-to-1. You can't really get better than that. Payout on demand or 7 days. So you can get a payout on demand as well. I didn't even know that. And then my funded FX has basically got the same thing, but it's a little bit cheaper. So as I said, the main reason I'm doing it is because I just needed to try something different and something that would suit my personality a little bit more. But yeah, it doesn't suit everyone, to be fair. And I'm not like going after crazy big payouts, like, so 2%, 4%, I'll be happy with that. GU keeps on pushing into the 80s now. That was such a missed opportunity this morning. Might be getting stopped out of this trade. And if I do, then yeah, I think we're just going to basically consolidate. And that'll be it. Mark only using ACG now, cheaper than FTMO. Yeah. FTMO, you pay a premium for the trust. Peace of mind. But worth paying in my opinion. Yeah, didn't want to go down further. So yeah, it's just building back up now. Just building back up. Yeah, looking like the trade should get scratched. This candle turns green. I'm scratching this trade. I'm just scratching this trade there. Alright, small loss. I don't think there's anything setting up before FOMC. So yeah, didn't want to break down further by the looks of it. It's a shame. For indices, buy the dip, not a sell yet. Buy Nas now. Could have been a little bit better if I actually held on to the first entry and not changed my mind. Could have been a bit more profit to take, but I'm not bothered that much. Not bothered that much. I was pretty happy with the re-entry, but small size, so I was hoping for a breakdown. But also, if I'm scalping, maybe I should have put more size on. Matt, what happens if you hit the 2% loss limit on your EA account? Will it breach? It will just pause your account for the day, so you can't trade it anymore. But it's fine. You just pick it back up the next day. So they automatically like lock you out of the account and you can't trade. Yeah, just pause. You can't trade till you reset. Haven't hit it yet. Haven't hit the 2% yet. Kind of just been, my confidence is a bit all over the place at the moment. So, any payout complaints with E8? Nah. To be fair, they've got a pretty good reputation. I've never traded with them before. I've been aware of them. I used to think they was a touch expensive before. But I don't think they've had many payout complaints at all. So that's another reason I kind of went with them. I don't like, and they've been around for a while, right? I don't like these new firms. So yeah, they seem pretty good. I don't know why I'm promoting them so much. I'm not affiliated, but I think good companies. We should stick with the good companies, reward the good companies, forget all these other scammy ones. You know what I mean? As soon as they start getting a bad reputation, bad trust reviews, hearing like when there's too many complaints, where there's smoke, there's always fire. Hey yo, E8 payout is fast and smooth. You traded with them? I guess. What do you think about Funded Engineer? I never traded with them. They did have a decent reputation before, and Funded Engineer, I think they did shut down. I know they was trying to keep it afloat, and I know they actually tried to make an effort to make their traders whole again. So it's sad. I never traded with them, but from what I heard, the CEO or whoever he is, I forgot his name, but he seems like a decent guy. But yeah, it's a tough business, this prop firm thing, and just hopefully the good companies can survive, and get rid of all these scammy ones. GU broke my heart today. GU broke my heart. Definitely the best trade of the day. Just gotta learn from my mistakes. Some of them are tied to one prop firm technology provider, and when one shut down, they all shut down. Yeah, there was like lots of issues and I guess unforeseen circumstances. Mark, it's hard today. Crazy market. Yeah, hard. Gold's been looking tough. GU was the cleanest trade though. I was just a bit too. I just made a mistake earlier on, and I should have. While we was on stream, right, and I was waiting for the re-entry. I know I keep going on about it, but then I was also like, when it pushed up higher, I was also conscious that I should just press and execute, even though it's just missed my entry. I should just like now build up the confidence to say, you know what, I'm gonna take it. Should have took it, but again, like being a little self-conscious and sometimes trading is like we can't always get the perfect price, perfect pullback, perfect technical setup, right? So yeah, lesson learned. Have conviction, and this scaling early was not great. Had me move my stop, and so I kind of like now I'm regretting it, but it's all good. It's all good. Kirian, I'm good. How you doing, bro? Wait, hold up. Why is the funded engineer website back? Oh, I didn't know that. Fiverr's good, FTMO and E8. No need to trade any others in my opinion. I was lacking ACG but seeing quite a few complaints recently. Yeah, same. Seeing a lot of unhappy traders, to be fair. But I don't know. I don't know about ACG. They have paid out a lot. They are quite a big company. Same with Funded Pips, right? Funded Pips is actually a very big company. Never traded with them. They was very popular. Got big. And maybe they're struggling with size or managing things properly. Who knows? I'm just one of you guys. I have no idea what's going on behind the scenes, or what goes on at these prop firms. But yeah, Fiverr's, FTMO and E8 as well, they're solid. They're solid. Gogo still holding EQ log. Where did you get in, Gogo? Yeah, just I don't know. Need to work it out. I will be back on stream tomorrow. Gonna do London session, New York session, and yeah, gonna be doing my best to stay composed and focused. Hopefully some moves set up, and I can have some. Hopefully my conviction is better tomorrow, and I take advantage of the opportunities. Try put on some more size. That's the goal tomorrow. Matt, Fiverr's A-book funded traders. Didn't know that. Maybe not on the high stakes. Maybe on like some of the other ones. I actually went to a Fiverr's event back in London. Like, was it last year? I actually went to one of their events. It was not a Fiverr's event, but it was like a trading event in London. I think I got it on video somewhere. And they were sponsoring the event. And yeah, they was talking about their company and stuff. So it's interesting. Zach, CHF pairs look tasty. Never traded CHF. But I keep on saying I need to look at other pairs. By the way, guys, I mean, I'm sure most of you are in the Discord already, but if you're not, there's an invite in the description. Join our community. Oh, what am I doing? But yeah, guys, I think that's it. I think I'm done for the day. Another long day. Another day making a couple mistakes, but all good. Gonna keep showing up. Keep pushing. Keep trying to get better. Appreciate you guys for hanging out. Stay calm. Stay focused for FOMC later. Don't go too crazy. I'm definitely going to be catching Z's around that time. But yeah, take care, guys. I appreciate you guys for hanging out. Love you guys. Love you guys. Take care. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow. London session. I'm going to start the stream about an hour before London session. And then New York, same thing. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.